guys, it's Tiffany. I posted recently on my Facebook page that I had just received from Amazon my Revlon Salon One-Stop Hair Dryer and Volumizer. It normally comes where this part's black and then it has pink details on it, but I bought the mint green one because obviously that's one of my favorite colors. Amazon has kept, this is it right here. Amazon has recommended it to me for about 2 years. And I never could see paying the $60 for it. I found it at Target one time for like $55, bought one, it was broke, had to return it. So I finally the other day just said, screw it, because Amazon emailed me that it was on sale. It was like $38 and with tax it was like $40. So I was like, yeah, I'll buy it for $40. But yeah, today is just gonna be a relaxed day. I don't have any makeup on. I'm actually wearing my pajama shirt because I just got out of the shower and I'm off work today. And I was just like, screw it, let's try this out. And people on my Facebook page, when I asked them if they wanted me to film it, they said yeah. So let's see how this works. It's gonna be my first impression. I've watched a bunch of videos on it. I've seen how people do it. As you can see, my hair is naturally curly. It is wet. That's why it kind of looks a little flat right now. My lips are chapped as hell because, like I said, I don't give a fuck today. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started. First, I'm gonna separate my hair. Here's my final thoughts. As you can see, it got my curly hair completely straight. It clocked me in at about 13 minutes, but I was actually talking the first 3. So this took me about 10 minutes to get my whole head straightened. A few things though, it did kind of get snagged a couple times. I don't know if that was me being a user error, which is possible because I suck at blow drying my hair, or if it was some of the pieces. It does get really hot, so I would watch your hands. My hair does feel really soft and it looks completely straight. It's a little frizzy right there because I need to take the blow dryer to my baby hairs right there one more time, but other than that, it got it perfectly straight and it gave it that little bend that you do whenever you get a blowout. So maybe it is worth the hype. I'm gonna keep trying it out and see how I like it. Let me try to get that baby hair in the front. It's worth the hype, I guess. It actually did it really well. Obviously, I didn't get paid to do this because I have barely any subscribers. And I just do my channel mostly for fun. But yeah, as you can see, it works. And it worked pretty damn good. My hair definitely, if you watch my last video where I was straightening my hair didn't get this straight with my InStyler. And my InStyler straightening brush costs about the same much as this one. It's kind of flat though. I don't know if maybe I need to, there we go. If I need to like juice it up or what I need to do with it, but yeah, I like it. It did it really well. All I put in it was some hair oil, like some heat protection hair oil too. But yeah, alrighty, I approve it. It was great. Again, this is what it is. It's a Revlon Volumizer or something like that. Yeah. Final thoughts coming from a first time user. Alright, have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.